Good afternoon and welcome to Richard Taunton Sixth Form College, and with particular regards to the Health and Social Care Department. My name is Liz Price and I'm one of the teachers on both the single and the triple course. So just an overview then to start with. As I've said on here, it's a challenging and rewarding course, and it will help you prepare for both the practical and the theory side of a range of careers that you need within the health and social care industry. Nursing, a very good example. You can study it as a certificate or an extended diploma. If you study it as a certificate, we call it the single award, which means you'd study two other subjects alongside, perhaps biology. Some people choose criminology alongside sociology, psychology, which is quite useful. Or you would do the extended diploma, which is a triple award, which means you do nothing else other than health and social care for your full experience here at Richard Taunton's. It would mean that you would immerse yourself in health and social care, and you'd have to be pretty certain that it's the sector that you'd want to work in, because you narrow your options in effect. But if you're absolutely certain you want to be a nurse, a paramedic, whatever that might look like, the extended diploma is definitely for you, because you'll get a much more fulfilling experience in terms of the health and social care sector, including work placements, where you'd be out half a day a week, working within the hospital, within a special school perhaps. Entry requirements: you'll need at least 5 GCSEs at grade 4 or above. It's imperative you have your English, your maths and science. That's whether you're taking the single or the triple award. So key topics. During the single award, you'll look at the human lifespan and the development of that, and the necessary support to get to those milestones of development. We'll look at physiological and psychological disorders and the effects of those. You look at working in health and social care itself, the roles and responsibilities of people working in the sector. And then we also look at supporting additional and individual needs. Throughout the extended diploma, as I say, it's 2 exams, and the rest 2 exams each year, and the rest is coursework. You will also look at human lifespan development and that necessary support, looking at physiological and psychological disorders and the effects of these. You will look at working in health and social care and supporting additional and individual needs. But you also look at, and this is an exam, at anatomy and physiology. You'll study promotion of public health, and you'll also study current research into health, and that will be units around dementia, children's development, and similar. There's all sorts of knowledge and skills, as you know, that you may be aware of, that becoming a doctor, a nurse, a healthcare assistant, a carer, physiotherapist. When you first come to college, we will help you develop, and hopefully you've developed some of this already, some intrinsic motivation, so the real need to want to study this subject. You've got to want it for yourself, not for other people, not for your teachers, not for your family, but you've got to need and want to study it for yourself. We will help you, and we hope you will come with some kind of research knowledge, improve autonomy, so to make you an independent learner and an independent person, not just relying. We're facilitators of learning, not necessarily lecturers of learning. Another skill developed will be the application of knowledge, so as well as the research that you put, you'll gain application of knowledge where you can apply that in a real life situation within work experience. And empathy, the ability to be able to put yourself in somebody else's shoes and know how they might feel with trauma in their lives. Alongside the qualification itself, we have something called Industry Week. This is really useful, again, to have a feel for the sorts of jobs you might want to do. get an understanding of the hundreds of jobs out there within the health and social care sector if you're not quite a nurse that you want to be. We have visits from local and national professionals within a variety of the health and social care environments. You'll have dementia-friendly training. You'll have safeguard training from an NSPCC trainer, and external visits to Body World, which is Piccadilly, central London, and a conference called Drive Safe, Stay Alive. Progression routes you've got are university options. There's a long list of them here. So nursing, social work, physiotherapy, occupational therapy, speech therapy, paramedical science, health and social care. And most of these can be studied both locally, Southampton, Winchester, Bournemouth, or nationally, wherever you choose to go. Lots of career options, hundreds in fact, and I've just mentioned a few here, which are adult, children's or mental health nursing, a radiographer, midwifery, paramedic science, podiatry, looking after feet, healthcare science, NHS practitioners training programme. So there's a plethora of opportunities to take whichever qualification you choose to undertake. Okay, that's it. That's just a short summary of what we do here at Richard Taunton's. We look forward to your health and social care journey with us. If you do have any information, please go to the website or direct an email via reception here, which will get to one of us in the health and social care department. All right, all the best in your choices, and see you in 2021.